Mmm. Mmm. I forgot to turn the camera off. You caught me. Oh no. I couldn't resist. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. It is beautiful today in New Jersey. It's hot and it's sunny. And the best part of all is I had my BFF Kathy and her husband Bob over here for lunch today. We haven't had a chance to get together in such a long time, and it's so nice to feel like things are getting back to normal. And look, Kathy brought me these beautiful sunflowers. So pretty. And I don't know if you can see, there's a little truck in it. I'll pull it over here. Can you see that little truck carrying flowers? She knows I like the trucks. So anyway, summer's my favorite season, and I'm getting into the summer mood. So I'm gonna make for you today a no-bake pie. That's right. Who the heck wants to put their oven on in this heat? Not me. So I'm gonna make you a pink lemonade pie. And it's so easy and it's so delicious. So I wanna thank you all for tuning into my channel to watch me make this pie. And we are gonna get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a bowl. I'm gonna use my hand mixer today. I'm not going to use my stand mixer. And in this bowl, and before I start, I will tell you that I always try to put my recipe down below the video in the description box, so you'll find it down there. But the first thing we're going to need is an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and you want to soften it at room temperature. So I'm going to take my softened cream cheese and I'm going to put it in my bowl right now. Here we go. And then I'm going to beat it till it's nice and soft and fluffy. Okay, so I have my pink hand mixer, and I'm gonna beat this softened cream cheese until it's nice and fluffy and creamy. So let me get started on that. I love these no-bake pies. A while ago, I think it was maybe last year or the year before, I can't remember, I did a series on no-bake pies. So if you want to go back on my channel, you'll find some of those. Or maybe if I can, I'll put the link to a couple of them down below the video. So let me get this all mixed up, nice and creamy. Not hard to do, especially if your cream cheese is softened. There we go. Okay, so now you're going to need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to add that to my cream cheese mixture. And get all this lusciousness out of here. Woohoo! Nice. Okay. That aside. Alrighty, now I'm going to gradually beat in the sweetened condensed milk. We'll do that now. Okay. Now, to the cream cheese and the condensed milk, I'm going to add in some lemonade, pink lemonade concentrate. This is the one that comes frozen in the can. You're going to let it defrost. Now my can happened to have been 12 ounce, so I measured out half of it, 6 ounce, and I'm going to add my pink lemonade concentrate to my cream mixture. Let me mix that. There we go, looking good. Now it's going to be a very, very, very pale pink. So once I get this mixed, I'm going to add a little bit of red food coloring to it till I get it the pink consistency that I want. Let me get going here. Couldn't be an easier pie, trust me. Okay. This pink lemonade pie is so delicious. Pink lemonade is so delicious and refreshing. But with this one, you're gonna need probably a fork instead of a straw. So let me just put a couple drops in to this. 1, 2. We're gonna mix it and see if it's the color pink that I like. So here we go. This is looking good. This is looking just like the color I want it to be. Hold it up and show you the color. Isn't that a pretty pink? I hope you can see it. I don't want it any darker than that. I don't want it red, and I don't want it too pale where you can't tell it's pink. So this looks pretty good to me. All right, let me mix it. A little bit more. Now, do you know what's coming next? I'll tell you. So you're going to add to that 4 ounces of Cool Whip. Now this happens to be 8 ounces. So I'm going to eyeball it, and I'm going to put half of this container of Cool Whip in there, and then I'm going to fold it in with my spatula. So here we go. Move this out of the way. Make sure your Cool Whip is thawed. Okay. And now I'm going to fold that into the mixture. Wasn't that easy so far? Sure was. Ooh, it looks so pink and creamy and delicious. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to put this into a pie shell. You can use a regular pie shell, a baked pie shell. Now, I didn't happen to have one baked, so I'm using a store-bought Keebler Graham Cracker one. So let me keep mixing this. Right now it looks like it's swirled. I'm trying to get it just in a nice pink consistency. And then I'm going to put this into my pie shell. Look at this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to chill this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. So let me mix it a little bit more. Now, once this pie, this pink lemonade pie, comes out of the fridge and it's all set, what some people do is they like to garnish this with a little bit of coconut on top that they've tinted pink. I'm not a fan of coconut. I really am not. So I'm not going to do that. But for those of you that like coconut and you want to do that, by all means, go ahead. All right, this looks pretty well mixed. So now I'm going to take my pre-made pie shell over here. Like I say, the next time around when I have, so look at this pink lusciousness. So I'm going to put this in. Ooh, that cream cheese in there. Ooh, and the condensed milk. Ooh, I'm going to put this all in my pie shell. Going to smooth out the top, and I'm going to put it in my refrigerator for 4 hours. So hopefully by tonight we'll be able to do a taste testing on this luscious pink lemonade pie. So stay tuned. Be back in 4 hours. I just took the pink lemonade pie out of the refrigerator, Had it in there for almost 4 hours. It looks pretty. I decorated it with just a little twist of lemon on the top and a few pink and white sprinkles. Now I'm going to cut into that baby and see what it tastes like. Alright, so as you can see, here is our pink lemonade pie. And now I am going to do taste testing. So let me cut it. Cut myself a slice. Still a little soft, but let me see how it comes out. They say to keep it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. I think it could have stayed in a little longer, but we're going to give it a try. So let me get a dish. You know, I always say the first piece is the hardest to get out. So let me see. Oh no, look at that. Yummy. Woohoo. I can't wait to taste it. Now, I think I'm going to put a little bit of whipped cream on it because I love whipped cream, especially on my no-bake pie. So I have a little ready whip here. So let me give it a little squirt. Ooh. Okay, and I have my fork. And let me taste this baby. Get a little whipped cream. Here we go. I can tell you right now, I give it 2 thumbs up. It's exceptionally creamy. And it's kind of a combination of sweet and tart. It's really very good. I think I would probably leave it in the refrigerator a little bit longer, but it's delicious and so easy to make. So I should tell you now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit the red subscribe and that little bell next to it. It's free. That's all there is to it. And all you do is get a notification when I have a new video up. You won't miss anything. So I say give this a try. You saw how few ingredients were in it and how easy it was to make. So, good. So thank you, everybody, for watching. I appreciate your support. For all my new subscribers, welcome aboard. And before I sign off, I just want to say, everybody, have a great day. Stay safe, stay well. Love you all. See you soon. See you soon. Toodles. I'm going to finish eating this yummy pie.